Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can get to know about the other time of other country only with your iPhone. So the application that you use here is Clock. Make sure that those application is already on your phone, but sometimes or normally those application will be defaultly installed into your phone. So you just need to slide into your app library and then you just need to type Clock. Now you just need to open the Clock section. Now there will be like a lot of sections here. There will be like world, clock, alarms, stopwatch, and timers. So since we want to understand about other country time, you just need to go type in the word clock. Now you just need to go click this plus button and find the name of the city of the country that you want to know the time is. So let's say I want to know about the time on Adelaide, Australia compared to my time that I use now. So you just need to tap it and it'll like pop up here. So now in Adelaide it's already like 23.8, so means that it's already in the middle of the night in Australia, in Adelaide City. So that is the way how you can get to know the time information about the other country only with your phone. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.